Good morning, students. This is Shivalsa speaking. Children, in the previous video, we had a discussion on squares and addition of odd numbers without adding, how to get a square of a number and all that. So we had a discussion on all those things in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss about one question of exercise 6.1 and some questions of exercise 6.2. In the almost the last question of exercise 6.1, the question was, how many numbers lies between squares of these following numbers? How many numbers lies between 12 and 13? So children, when we are finding the square of these numbers, 12 square and 13 square. So 12 square means 144 and 13 square means 169. So the question is that how many numbers lies between, now the question is how many numbers lies between 144 and 169. So I'll write the numbers lies between 144 and 169 is equal to 169 minus 144 is 5 2 25, and finally we are going to subtract 25 minus 1. 25 minus 1, there are 24 numbers, because when we start counting from 144, means 145 like this. So here exactly, if you want to find how many numbers exactly lies between. So if one number is 144, if you write down the numbers in this order, like 144, 145, 146, 147 till 169. So if you take the numbers comes between, so in that case we will not consider 144, we will not consider 169. We will take the numbers in between the numbers. So in that case, there are 24 numbers lies between 144 and 169, or square of 12 and 13. Next is what? Next is 25 and 26. How many numbers lies between the square of 25 and 26? In that case, so we have to find the square of these two numbers. So 25 square means 25 into 25, 625. 25 square is 625, and square of 26 is 676. These are the squares of these numbers. 25 square is 625 and 26 square is 676. So how many numbers lies between them? I have to subtract. The numbers lies between 625 and 676 is 676 minus 625, we have to subtract it to 1. 51 minus 1, there are 50 numbers. There are 50 numbers lies between 625 and 676. In that case, we are not considering 625 and 676. We are actually taking the numbers between 625 and 676. Children, so in this way we will be dealing with such numbers. It's really very easy. First we have to make the numbers square. Then we have to subtract. Again we have to subtract it by 1 in order to get the numbers exact lies between. Alright. So next number is what? 99 and 100. So in that case,